See the ninth question. Ninth question, what he is asking. Let R be a relation from n to n. Natural number to natural number. What are natural number? We know from 1 it will start. Okay, 1 to infinity. Defined by R is equal to A comma B for all AB belongs to n and A is equal to B square. Okay. Are the following true? Three sub questions they have given. Each one we will tackle. First one, A comma A belongs to R for all A belongs to n. Whether is it true or not, we have to tell. Okay. Let us first write the function. Function, if I write, you see function is equal to, relation. No function, this is relation. Relation is equal to, you see, A is equal to B square. That means here which is bigger? A is bigger. But what is this natural number? A is also natural number, B is also natural number. Okay. Now natural number start from 1. What I do? I start from 1. Okay. Why? Because here A is bigger, B is smaller. That is why from smaller only we have to start. 1 I have started here. A how much it will come? A is equal to B square. That means 1 square. 1 only it will come. Okay. Comma. Then I have taken next time 2. Okay. Why? Because for all it has to be satisfied this condition. 2 square means 4. Next time I have taken 3. 3 square means 9. Next time I have taken 4. 16. Like that it will go. It will not end. Why? Because there is no end. They have not given any control up to this, up to 10, up to 11, up to 15, or greater than equal to 5, less than or equal to 10. Like that they have not given. That means this ordered pairs or something like we can say will go. Why? Because the ordered pair only, na, A is equal to B square means both will come in ordered pairs only. Why? Because we are in relation. Sets there is no ordered pair. So when we have started relations and all relations functions, all ordered pairs will come. These are ordered pairs only. Okay. This is this one, this condition. Now this is the relation. Then we come to first question. I am writing again first question here. Okay. First question you have to write AA. AA. AA means what will come? 1 and 1 will come. Okay. Accepted. Then 4 means 4 will come. 9 means 9 will come. Or else if you want to take 2, 2 means 2 will come. 3 means 3 will come. Okay. For all n. But is it true? Why? Because see, we are discussing the relation for all. But this relation A is equal to B square, is it following? Not following. Then what we have to write? True or false? False. That's all. Right? False. False. Justify. That means reason. What we have to do? Reason. Reason is except 1 comma 1 remaining pairs do not follow relation A is equal to B square. Is it correct or not? Okay. Why? Because see, A if comes automatically 1 square 1. Except 1 remaining all, they do not follow this condition. A is equal to B square, it has to follow. Why? Because we are talking about relation. Are the following true means these are not following. All belongs to relation only, na? See, this also belongs to relation. This also belongs to relation. What is this relation? This relation is A is equal to B square. This also relation. This also relation. We will see one by one. We have finished the first one. Now we go for second one. AB belongs to R. Okay, AB belongs to R. Already we know. Here also AB belongs to R only. This is AB belongs to R. Or I can write AB belongs to R. Okay. This is AB belongs to R. Why? Because A is equal to B square. A is equal to B square. A is equal to B square. AB belongs to R. Okay. But again he said implies if BA belongs to R. Here you come. BA means what we have to write? BA is equal to, now rather than say 1 1, okay. But what about this one? 2 4. What about this one? 39. What about this then? 416. Okay. Again same story. A is equal to b square. Is it following? See, you have written, but after writing, you have to see y coordinate. See, a b you have interchanged, okay, but this is y coordinate, this is x coordinate. Y coordinate, yeah, y square is equal to x, it has to come, but except 1 here 2 is not square of 4, 3 is not square of 9, 4 is not square of 16. Again same question, false. Okay, same thing, except or simply you write why this false. The relation a is equal to b square is not satisfied. That's all. Not satisfied. Even the same reason you can write here also. The relation a is equal to b square. This is the relation. This is the relation a b. Okay, but what is the relation between a b? This is the relation between a b. A should equal to b square, but a should not equal to b square. A should not here not equal to b square. That is why these two relations are not true. Both are false. We go for third one. Okay. Okay. Now let us write third one. Okay. AB belongs to R. BC belongs to R. Implies AC belongs to R. But this we see here. What is AB? Say I take okay, here I take 4 2. Okay, here I take 16 4. Okay, see A is 16, B is 4. Okay, 4 square 16, 2 square 4. Okay, B 4 4. Okay, now come here. Okay, these two are satisfying. These two are following A, B, B, C. But AC also is asking. AC, what you have to write? AC means 16 is A, 2 is C. Is this following? 16 is 4 square, not 2 square. 2 square is 4 only. But here 16 is there. Again, A is equal to B square, not following. Then you write false. Relation A is equal to B square is not satisfied. That's all. Okay. 3 relations are not satisfied. All are false only. Why? Because see, in relation you cannot, what we can say, ordered pairs. You cannot reverse or you cannot make some jumbling and all. It is very difficult for making. Okay. These are not sets, these are relations. Relations will be like this only. False, false, false. 3 are false. We go for 10th. Let A is equal to, set A 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. These are 2 sets. And the function they have made between these two, 1, 5, 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 11. Okay. Are the following true? He is asking. F is a relation from A to B. F is a function from A to B. Okay. Now what we are writing, we will draw this arrow diagram. Okay. 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 What are all there in A? Let's say this is A, this is B. A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. B 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. Okay. These are the elements. Now see, depict the relation. Why? Because this is relation. We will see whether this is a function or not. 1 to 5. 2 to 9. 3 to 1. 4 to 5. 2 to 11. Okay. Okay. See, if you observe here, two elements are codomain only, but not range. These four are range, these are codomain. Okay. But this is not going to affect the relation. Relation is having, yes, relation is having. But what are all under relation? Those only elements, domain and range. Okay, relation is there. If relation is not there, no domain, no range. Domain, range. But these are codomain. Okay, including all codomain. Okay. Now, F is a relation from A to B. A to B relation is there or not? Yes, relation is there. Okay. Now we can write number 1, true. True. Relation from A to B exist. Okay. Relation we are seeing. Next part 2. F is a function from A to B. Now here you think, is it a function? Relation, okay, but is it a function? You see, 2 is having 2 images, 9 and 11. Remaining all okay, one image is there, but element 2 is having 2 images in B. Every element in set A should have only one image in set B, then only it is going to call function. But here element 2 is having 2 images, that is why this is not a function. Okay. Now we have to write that answer. Okay, number 2. F is a function from A to B, false. Okay, why? Because are the following true? False. What is the reason? Element 2 from A. Why? Because from A means set A having more than one image. Okay, element 2 from A is having more than one image. That is why this is not a function, but this is a relation. Okay. Now we go for 11. See the 11th question. What he has written. Let F be the subset of J cross J. That means ordered pair. Okay, ordered pairs. Ordered pairs of integers. Z is integers. Ordered pair means Z is having say, I will write like this, minus infinity to minus 1, 0, 1 plus infinity. This is ordered pair. This is integers. Z cross Z means another Z is there, same, minus infinity plus infinity. Okay, Z cross Z. F he has written, but it is not a function or relation, not mentioned, but he is telling that F AB A plus B. X axis X coordinate AB, Y coordinate A plus B. What are these AB and A plus B? AB belongs to Z. That means you can randomly you can pick all elements you have to pick. Why? Because Z cross Z. You have to make. Is it a function from Z to Z? He is asking. Okay, let us see. Now what I can do, see here, A and B you can take from like this. Why? Because A, B belongs to Z. A also Z, B also Z. Okay. Now 4, 5 elements I will write. Okay. F is equal to, see, 4, 5 pairs I will write. I have taken minus 2 into minus 3, minus 2 plus minus 3. Why? Because here AB comma A plus B. These I have to take now. AB A plus B. X coordinate AB, Y coordinate A plus B. X coordinate AB, Y coordinate A plus B. Okay. What is going to come here? Minus 2 into minus 3, 6 will come. Minus 2 plus minus 3, minus 5 will come. Okay. Okay. Next time what I take? 2 into 3 I take. 2 plus 3. Understand? Na? Why? Because see, I can take Z minus, positive, negative, 0, everything I can take. Why? Because Z cross Z big set is there. Ordered pair, multiplication. Okay. 2 into 3, 6 has become. 2 plus 3, 5 has become. Okay. Now, if I make a arrow diagram, 6 minus 5 plus 5. Okay. Now 6 is having relation to -5 and +5 both. Why? Because one element from A is having two images in B. What is the question? Is f is a function from Z to Z? Is it a function? See, we need not see all. If you see one also, you can find this is not a function. Why? Because elements are having two images in B. That is why this is not a function. Like that you can write. What we can write, you see, as above, element 6 have more than two images, therefore this is not a function. Okay, this is not a function. This may be relation but not a function. If you want, you can write this is only relation. Okay, this is answer for your 11th question. We go for 12th question. Okay, see the 12th question. Let A is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this is a set. And let F is equal to A to N be defined by f of n. See, this is a function. Why? Because he is mentioning f a to n be defined by f of n. F of n, f of x comes means function only. The highest prime factor of n. Find the range of f. Okay. Now we go back to our earlier discussion. I say f of x is equal to y plus x plus 1. One function I have told you earlier in starting. Relation, function, whatever it may be. This comes relation also, but if in relation also, function also subset of relation. If only one image is there that side, then it is a function. Okay, you see. Now what I do, f of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Now how can this write? I can write f is equal to, say when I give 1, 2 has come. When I give 2, 3 has come. When I give 3, 4 has come. Okay. F of x is equal to this one. Okay. Now you tell me what is input we have given, that is domain. That means here domain is equal to, even if you depict this thing, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 1 is having relation with 2, 2 is having relation with 3, 3 is having relation with 4. Now if somebody asks you to write domain and range, what you are going to write? 1, 2, 3 are domain. Okay. What is the range? 2, 3, 4 are range. Is it okay? This is analogy I have made. Why? Because by comparing this we can give answer here. This is a function. See, if you see here, 1 is having only one image, 2 is having only one image, 3 is having only one image. That is why this is a function. See, this is relation, but even all relations are not function. Okay, but every function is relation. Like that, this is a function. Now you come to this problem. We compare this. This is a set A, but function n is equal to the highest prime factor of n. These are n. Okay. Okay. Now we can say these are domains. Okay, like here. But what is range? Domains. Say I write like this: 9 is there, 10 is there, 11 is there, 12 is there, 13 is there. This is A, this is B. Okay. Okay. See, domain range will be there. But this is function, like that he is telling function f of n. F of n means f of x like function only. Now range you have to find. What is the range here? What will come output? We have given 9, but what is the output? By seeing function only, you came to know what is going to. Here function is what? X plus 1. That is why 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 we have that. But what, if, like f of x, what is here? F of n. What is function? The highest prime factor of n. N means these numbers, each one. Okay, now I am going to calculate prime factor what? Each number. Okay, 9 prime factor is what? 3 into 3, 9. That means highest prime factor is 3 only. Okay, for 9, 3. I write 3 here. I write 3 here. Okay, for 9, 3. And also I depict a relation 9 to 3. Okay, now come to second one, 10. 10. 2 5s are 10. That's all. Why? Because prime number only topped. Highest is which one? 5. That means for 10, 5. For 10, 5. Okay. For 10, 5 relation is there. Okay. Now you find for 11. 11. 11 is a prime number. That is why 11 ones are 11 only. Highest prime factor. Highest. He told highest. Here highest is 5 or else 2 is there. Okay. Here both are same. That is why 1 only highest. 3. 11 into 1. 11 is highest. 1 is not a prime number. Prime factor. That you have to keep in mind. 11. Okay. For 11, 11 only is there. Okay. I am writing 11 here. And 11 is having relation with 11. Okay, now I am calculating for 12. 2 6, 2 3s. That's all. Why? Because see, rather than 3 we need not go. Which is highest? Highest is 3. Okay, highest is 3. But already we have 3 we are having. Then you draw simply 12 to 3 connection. 12 to 3. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now you come to 13. 13 prime factor. 13 ones are 13. Highest is 13 only. Okay. Prime factor. Highest prime factor. 13 to 13. Then I write 13 here and I will make a connection. Okay. See. Whether it is a function or not, he is not asked. Why? Because he has already mentioned Fn is function only. Even you see, 13 is having one element, 11 is having one element, one image, 10 is having one image, 9 is having one image, 12 is having one image. Okay. See, 3 may be images for both 9 and 12, but for 9 only one image, for 12 only one image. That is why this is a function. But the question is not that whether it is a function or not. Question is find the range. This is the range. What is the range? Range is equal to 3, 5, 11, 13. How here 1, 2, 3, 4 has come range. Here also range is 3, 5, 11, 13. Understood now? Then we have finished your 2.4 exercise. Okay. In the next class we go for relation and function class 12. Class 12 also relation function is there. That chapter we are going 12th class. Okay. After finishing that class again we come back to trigonometry. Okay. Then we go back to again 12th class inverse trigonometry. Like that we will do 11th and 12th we will do. Why? Because in India several states having several type of syllabus. Even though they follow NCERT syllabus, but according to their state syllabus, differentiation will be there in first year 11th class and integration will be in 12th class. Like that they have adjusted their curriculum. That is why even though they are following NCERT curriculum, but which one is in 11th, which one is 12th and all depends on their state board of education perspective. That is why I want to see both 11th and 12th. Okay. We will meet in the next class for relation and function class 12. Okay. Thank you very much.